Welcome back to Auto Rush. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet. If you're a fan of power, performance, and cutting-edge design, this is a car you won't want to miss. Stay tuned as we break down its features, specs, and expected price. The 2025 Chevrolet is set to make waves in the automotive industry with its bold styling and advanced technology. Chevrolet has always been known for crafting vehicles that blend power with sophistication, and this model is no exception. Whether you're looking for a high-performance sports car, a reliable SUV, or a fuel-efficient sedan, the 2025 lineup has something for everyone. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet is expected to offer a range of powertrains to cater to different driving needs. From turbocharged engines to hybrid and electric options, Chevrolet is making sure that performance meets sustainability. The latest model is rumored to feature a more refined engine, providing better fuel efficiency without compromising on power. The exterior design of the 2025 Chevrolet is sleek, aggressive, and aerodynamic. With sharper lines, a bold front grille, and futuristic LED lighting, this car looks ready to take on the road. Chevrolet has also focused on enhancing aerodynamics to improve performance and fuel economy. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and tech-packed interior. The 2025 Chevrolet is expected to come with a fully digital instrument cluster, an upgraded infotainment system, and premium materials throughout the cabin. With comfortable seating, advanced climate control, and enhanced connectivity features, Chevrolet ensures that every drive is a pleasure. Safety remains a top priority, and Chevrolet is expected to equip the 2025 model with the latest driver assistance features. From adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping assist and automatic emergency braking, this car will provide peace of mind on every journey. Additionally, Chevrolet's Smart Parking Assist and 360-degree camera system make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. When it comes to performance, Chevrolet never disappoints. The 2025 model is expected to have multiple driving modes, allowing you to switch between efficiency and sportiness as per your preference. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling sharp turns, the 2025 Chevrolet delivers a dynamic driving experience. Fuel efficiency has been a major focus, with Chevrolet integrating new technologies to reduce emissions while maximizing performance. Hybrid and electric variants are also expected to be part of the lineup, catering to the growing demand for sustainable mobility. Now, let's talk about the expected price. While official figures haven't been released yet, industry experts estimate that the 2025 Chevrolet could start at around $35,000 for the base model, with higher trims and additional features pushing the price closer to $60,000. This makes it a competitive option in its segment, offering great value for the features it packs. So, what do you think about the 2025 Chevrolet? Are you excited for its launch? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Rush for more exciting automotive updates. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights on the latest cars hitting the market. See you in the next one.